Hello everyone. In this class, we'll learn something about three herbs: Rensheng, Fuling, and Chenpi. We should learn the knowledge of Rensheng, Fuling, and Chenpi, know when and how to use these herbs. First, we'll learn about the source. Rensheng is the root of Panax ginseng, produced in Liaoning, Jilin, Heilongjiang, wild one called Yeshansheng or Shansheng, planted one called Yuansheng. Planted Rensheng after 6 to 7 years, dig the root in autumn season. Wash the flesh, then dry in the sun, called Shen Shai Shen. Fresh roots steamed and specially processed and are called Hongshen. Rensheng's properties and flavors are sweet, slight bitter, slight warm. Its channel tropism is lung and spleen. Its action is greatly tonifying essential qi, tonifying lung, spleen, nourish fluid, calm shen. Shen in TCM here is considered as the mind or mental activities. Rensheng is almost considered as the most important tonifying herb in TCM. It could greatly tonify the essential qi, usually used for qi deficiency and tendency to collapse. Rensheng is the first important herb for tonifying qi and stabilizing collapse. It could be used for wheezing due to lung qi deficiency, and for lassitude, poor appetite, distension in chest and abdomen, prolapse of rectum due to prolonged diarrhea or caused by spleen and stomach qi deficiency. It could be used for 消渴, it's diabetes in Western medicine, febrile diseases consuming the fluids. It could also be used for restlessness, palpitation, insomnia, etc. So, Rensheng is a very important herb to tonify qi in TCM. Second, we'll talk about the herb Fuling. Fuling is the dry sclerotian of Ploris cocos wolf. Its property and flavors are sweet, bland, and neutral. Its channel tropism are heart, spleen, kidney, and lung. And its action is draining water and eliminating edema, excreting dampness, strengthening spleen, calming the heart spirit. There are mainly 4 applications of Fuling. It could be used for difficult urination, edema, and for diarrhea, leukorrhea due to spleen deficiency. It could also be used for cough due to phlegm and retention of fluid, sourness of pain or shoulder, and back due to phlegm and dampness invading channels and collaterals. And for palpitation, insomnia, often add Rensheng 远志 酸枣仁 called 龟皮汤. The last one we'll learn is the herb called Chenpi. This herb is the peel of orange. It's mainly produced in Guangdong, Fujian, Sichuan, Jiangsu, Zhejiang, and other provinces. The peel is collected when the fruit is mature, dried and cut into shreds for use. Long preserved has better quality, so it is called Chenpi. Chen in Chinese means long preserved, old, and pi in Chinese means pure. Its property and flavors are acrid, bitter, and warm. Its channel tropism are spleen, lung, and stomach, and its action is regulating qi and strengthening spleen, drying dampness, and transforming phlegm. Chenpi has two main applications. One is for qi stagnation of spleen and stomach, epigastric and abdominal distending pain, nausea and vomiting due to qi stagnation of spleen and stomach. And the other is for cough due to damp phlegm or cold phlegm. Chenpi has the actions of drying dampness and transforming phlegm, warming and resolving cold phlegm. It is an important herb for transforming phlegm. Now, let's make a conclusion. In this lesson, we learn three herbs. They are Rensheng, Chenpi, and Fuling. Rensheng is an important herb to tonify qi. Fuling is a herb to drain the water and excrete the dampness, while Chenpi is a herb to dry the dampness and transform the phlegm. Okay, so much for this lesson. Thank you.